I think you've mentioned it, and just correct me if I'm wrong. In the US, it's a resume, or do they also have CVs in the US? And like, what's the difference?
Yeah, so the way the document that you use to apply for a job varies by job and location. So I've got a little catalog of some of those in my brain. I don't know about everything globally, I'm sorry, but
Sure.
here's an example. European CVs tend to be a lot more personal than United States resumes. There's more details about your personal life, and sometimes there's a photo, things like that in various European countries. It's way more personal than United States ones. And that's kind of an interesting byproduct in some ways of our protections for various classes and how people don't want to know things about people's personal lives because it can't affect their hiring or their employment. So there's that difference. So there's a geographic difference there. And then also in the United States, you format that document differently if you're an academic. So if you're talking about your academic research and you're applying for another academic institution, in a lot of cases, that's a CV. So it has more to do with your academic training and the research you've done, the coursework you've done, what you've taught, etc. And you'll also see that there's a different format for the United States government. They have a completely different format for resumes, both in the civilian government and in the military, where you have to follow specific formats very, very closely. In fact, there's specialized editors who focus on that. So if that's the route you want to go in, you need to find an editor who focus on how to do the document format for applying for a government job in the United States, because it's pretty unique and it's pretty detailed and specific. So depending on the job you're applying for, you're going to need different documents, whether they're CVs or resumes for the location and the places that you're applying.